how do you go ahead and add a new location to Google Maps using your iPhone? Well, naturally, you need to make sure you have the app installed. So you open it up like this, and essentially you have a couple of different things so you can like browse the app and whatever. And at the bottom, we have the explore page where you just look around the app and use the app normally. Then you have the saved places, but you also have the contribute button. And as the name suggests, you can add a place, update, review, you can interact with the maps through this section. And in case you want to add a new place, like a new location, then you're going to click on add place. But you should keep in mind that this applies to every single person using the app. If it gets approved, you can add like a new park, new shop, or usually something that you own, you want to add it to Google Maps. So any point of interest which you actually just add somewhere, you can choose the category, like you get my point, right? You just add stuff to the map. However, in case you want to just add it for yourself, that's a completely different story. Because let's say you want to just add this restaurant to just your own list. You're not creating anything new. You just want to mark it as your own favorite, right? So you can click on the three dots in here and you can just, add some photos. You can download it as a map. We're still talking about like adding it for yourself. So you can tap in here and click on add label. So it can be like a, good restaurant. And next time you look for it, it's going to pop up. So that's an option as well. Or you can scroll through the available options in here and click on the bookmark, which is going to save it to your location. So it can be in like places you want to go, travel plans, whatever. You can create your new list, but that's how you can just add the, stuff to your own list. So you just add new location, but only for yourself. So hopefully you understand what I mean. In case there are like any other questions you might have, go ahead and leave them down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more so you don't miss videos like these one. Thanks a lot for watching. See you later.